Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'll be cutting my split ends for the very first time. I have never volunteered to cut my split ends, where I've cut out of issues like this, bleaching and dyeing my hair, but I've never cut the split ends out of the fact that I should cut. And we all know that we should cut our split ends because they're just dead hair and they will not grow back. Also, they will just make the strand weaker. So for that and so many reasons as to the fact that they're just there split, I'm going to cut them for the very first time today. Also, I'll be counting how many locks I have. Over the years, I've been having questions like, how many locks do you have? Have you ever tried counting them? No, I haven't, or at least I've not had that thought yet until now. So today I'm going to count them for the very first time and I'll let you know as you guys watch. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. In case you're new, please subscribe. If you are my old gang, thank you for coming back. Stick around, enjoy, and as usual, comment down below and share this video. Okay, stick around, let's start. So I'm going to start by cutting the edges, and holding my hair like this really helps because now I can get to see all the ends from this angle. I have a mirror in front of me, like you have already guessed, so it's gonna be easy if I'm holding them in this band. So let's get started. I don't think I have so many though. I think I have just a few. Let's go.
Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and terror. Fly, I like when you reverse my mind. We drove as far as we could to ignore what's around, ignore all expectations, even when we should go out to what's behind and see what will come. Not know, scared of talking, drowning my thoughts around. Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and terror. Fly, I like when you reverse my mind. What I've seen is enough, and I'm scared to do too much. Laugh at my problems, even when I should look up to what's behind and see.
Guys, look at this, guys. These are so many. I don't know how to feel about it because I thought it would be worse than how I feel. Anybody who has locks know that when it comes to cutting even a single split end or a single lock, it's like the worst or the hardest decision ever. So me coming to this, trust me, it has taken like months and months of deciding like, wow, I need to do it. But I'm glad I'm here. Like months later, I'm here with my hair, my split ends. Look at that. I think it doesn't have a huge difference. What do you think, guys? Is the length the same or just a little bit shorter than it was? I think it's just a little bit, just a tiny bit shorter. I think in a month or so I'll come back and do it again because I feel like some of them are longer than the others and I just want them to be the same length. So probably if I'll be psychologically prepared enough, I'll come back and cut them to the same length, and I'll keep pampering my hair so that it can grow to longer lengths. So now the moment we have all been waiting for is here. Let's count them and know how many I have. I'm going to count them in twos so that it's easier and faster. So stick around, let's count again. If you have not subscribed, because I have realized from my analytics that most people that watch my videos have not subscribed. Please, come on now. Do you really want this side-eye? Like really? Really? Are we gonna do this? You're gonna come here, watch my videos and just run off without subscribing? Come on guys, hit the subscribe button and let's do this. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, oh my god, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Whew. My hands are tired. Okay, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I need a commercial break, people. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, oh god, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Woo! And we have one left. Okay, 101 because of this. 101 because of this. Okay. Whew. That was tiresome. I won't lie. Like, that was tiresome. I won't lie. My arms are burning. I'm even sweating. But finally, I finished and I have 202 dreadlocks. And the chat said, hallelujah! Yes, I have 202 dreadlocks and I'm so excited that now I know the number. I feel like because I have very thin ones in the middle, I'm going to join them in the near future. Not yet known when, but in the near future I'm joining some because they're so thin. I think it's because of the palm twisting that I talked about in my previous video, and also the person who made my starter locks was not so careful. That's why I never even bothered to ask how many locks they were. Again, I like my hair like natural and free and a pretty mess, like you guys can see. So yeah, that's it. So tell me, comment down below, tell me what you think about my hair, your hair, and whether you would love to know how many locks you have if you have them. Personally, I put that off for so many days until today. And as you guys can see, finally I got the answer. It doesn't change anything, just the knowledge really helps, I guess. Like, you know what you're carrying and how many. So yeah, I feel excited for knowing just a little. I think I'll drink some milk after this in honor of my hair. Yes, talk about people who love their hair. Yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I hope I get to see you next time. Remember, comment down below, let me know how many locks you have if you have locks. Tell me if you had locks, would you like to know how many they are? Some people may not, some may, which is okay. And I'll get back to you. I always reply, so I'll reply. If you have any question about natural hair or your skin using natural products, I'm your girl. I'll hook you up with the best of the best and see you in the comment section. Also, please don't forget to check out my old videos. You might find something that's gonna help you, your hair journey or your skin. And until next time, thank you so much for joining me. God bless you. Stay safe. Until next time.
Do too much. Laugh at my problems, even when I should look up to what's behind.